Hey everybody, I was gifted this amazing accent chair. It's so easy to put together. So it comes with two sides and this middle bar, and you are going to screw this bar on. Then you are going to take the base, place it on, and screw it in on each side. Then we are going to take the back and screw it on as well. Once you have all of the pieces together, then you completely tighten the screws. You are going to open the vacuum sealed bags. These are the cushions. As soon as you open these plump up. There is covered Velcro on the base and the back. You want to take that completely off, place the cushions. You get a bolster and a bag that goes around the armrest that you can put some things in here. And that's it. Now we're just going to let these pillows plump up. It takes about 24 hours and then we'll see what it looks like. This is just such a beautiful chair. I love the mid-century modern vibe. You get the solid wood frame, the detachable side pocket. This is just the perfect upholstered chair for your bedroom. This would be great for a college dorm and an apartment. This comes in different colors, so be sure to check that out. It is so sturdy and it is so cozy. I love the upholstery. It feels like a dream, and the cushion is extra supportive. It is that perfect combination of firm and soft. So if you are looking for a super clean, modern, timeless aesthetic and a chair that is comfortable, chic, and easy to put together, this one is for you. I am absolutely loving it, and I think you will too. Definitely check this one out.